Hi everyone. In this video, we will guide you on resetting your Windows 11 PC if it fails to start. If your Windows is totally corrupted and you are unable to boot, you can still reset it and make it serviceable. When your Windows 11 cannot boot and stop, click on the Troubleshoot option. Now, click on the Reset this PC option. Now, on the upcoming windows, you'll see two options. Keep my files. Remove everything. If you don't want to erase your personal files, select the first option, Keep my files. And if you want to erase everything and want a totally new Windows 11, choose the second option, Remove everything. Next, you will see two options. Cloud download. Local reinstall. The cloud download option will consume around 4 GB of data. This option is helpful if you want to download and install a fresh Windows 11. Otherwise, select the second option, Local reinstall. Finally, click on the Next button. Now, wait to reset the PC. It may take several minutes, depending on the speed of your computer. Good luck. See you in the next video.